Hey, welcome back everyone. Today we are going to do a deep dive into the April 2022 real estate market report for Avalon and Stone Harbor, New Jersey. And we will explore what this crazy market means to you as a buyer and as a seller. So if you are thinking of buying or selling, you won't want to miss this. Hey, I'm Mike Sutley, a local realtor here at the Jersey Shore, and everyone seems to be asking me, are we in a housing bubble? Have prices stabilized? Will they go down? Is the market switching? So let's dive into some local real estate market numbers and see exactly what is going on here in Avalon and Stone Harbor. Starting off with Avalon, this past April we had 8 homes sold. Go back 1 year prior, 15. That is a 47% decrease. Median sale price, $3.1 million. Go back 1 year ago, 2.7 million. That is a 15% increase. Note that the median list price is roughly in the ballpark of 3.2 million. Go back 1 year ago, 2.5 million. Well, actually closer to 2.6. That's a 24% increase year from 1 year. Sale to list, 99%. 1 year ago, 98%. So roughly about the same. Median days on market. So we got a growing days on market here of 109. So go back 1 year ago and it was 63, which is what we see in most of the barrier islands. Homes sold year to date, 37. Go back 1 year ago, 54. That is a 30% decrease. Similarly, like that, this is an inventory issue because we just don't have the volume here to sell. So if you're thinking of selling, now is a terrific time. Currently, this is a snapshot of currently what we have going on. We have 34 homes currently for sale. The median list price is 3.6, 25 median days on market. 24 homes under contract, and we are looking at a high price. The highest listing out there is currently $15 million, with the low being at $1.2 million. All right, market conditions. So 4.3 months of inventory. So this is actually nearing what is going to be considered a positive of a balanced market. So a balanced market is that 6 to 7 months is that sweet spot. Currently, we are still in a seller's market, but this is definitely trending month over month towards a balanced market. All right, so 13% of properties sold over original asking price. Let's move over to Stone Harbor. All right, here's what we're seeing in Stone Harbor. So this past April, only 6 homes sold. Go back 1 year ago, 10. That's a 40% decrease, but that's obviously not a lot of inventory. Median sale price, 3.2 million. 1 year ago, 2.1 million. That's a 54% increase. Median list price, almost 3.5 million. Go back 1 year ago, 2.1 million. That's a 65% increase. Sale to list price ratio, 98%. That was roughly the same 1 year prior. Median days on market is 121. 1 year ago was 146. So homes sold year to date this year, 20. 1 year ago was 23. So roughly the same. All right, this is a current snapshot of what we're seeing as of this minute. So it's currently 14 homes for sale. Median list price, 3.3 million. 17 days is the median days on market, which is nuts. Homes under contract, 10. The high is 7.7 million. The low is $800,000. So here's what we're seeing in market conditions. 2.3 months of inventory. So this is clearly still a seller's market. Like I said earlier, that 6 to 7 months is that sweet spot for the balanced market. We are not nearing that here as we are in Avalon. So 17% of the properties sold over original asking price in April of 2022. Gonna hit you with a little bit of price points real quick. Not much inventory here, but as you'll notice, every price point is still a seller's market. It doesn't seem to be much wiggle room for the buyers to sneak in at any of the price points. But like I said, a little creativeness can get you and win you exactly what you want. Let's now break down exactly what we are seeing and hearing in this market and how it will affect you as a buyer and as a seller. But before we do, If you want to know what your home is worth or how much equity you currently have, just text me at 609-225-9326. You may be shocked at the amount of equity you have accumulated when you learn what your home is really worth in today's real estate market. If you are thinking of selling, well, you can pretty much name your price thanks to the low inventory and consistent buyer demand. I'm not sure there has been a better time in history to be a seller. In the short term, buyers will continue to rush into the market to beat the rate hikes, continuing to create multiple bid situations for certain property. Because of the low inventory, buyers will continue to be creative with their offers and waive their home inspection rights, appraisal contingencies, and use escalation clauses to secure a deal. We are still seeing plenty of 1031 exchange buyers investing in property, and it seems like everyone is nervous about the stock market. So they continue to cash out of stocks and are parking their money in real estate. So how about the rental market? The short-term rental market is still on fire, with some prospective renters asking for homeowners to break their leases so they can pay more for the rental. In some cases, they are offering thousands over the weekly rental rate. And if that was not bad enough, long-term leases are nearly non-existent, and when they do pop up, they are charging tenants a hefty rental price. Here is what we are seeing on the macro level. So, the Federal Reserve has a meeting this month and all but said they are raising rates 0.5%. As a result, mortgage rates have already adjusted for the anticipated rate hike. Currently, a 30-year jumbo loan, they are loans greater than $647,000, are hovering around 4.6%, while a 30-year conventional is around 5%. That accounts for roughly a 0.75% raise from last month. I'm curious. Where do you see the market going? Comment below and let me know what you think is going up, down, or is it going to stay the same? I'd love to hear what you think. Make sure you check back next month, and every month for that matter, so we can break down the numbers of what is happening here in the Jersey Shore real estate market. Do me a favor. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. See more content like this. Again, I'm Michael Sutley, and if you are thinking of buying or selling at the shore, then you are in the right place. I am only a phone call away, and I love when my phone rings.